Welcome to PDR Video. PDR introduces its new launch of space-efficient last-mile connectivity in FTTX application. Selection of miniaturized components alone does not work. At times, you need to go a step ahead of this practice also. At subscribers' premises, finding the space for cable entry is a big challenge. Here we meet challenge. Before we start the installation procedure, we need to understand the dimensional difference between the two cables. Here we have digital vernier caliper to measure maximum diameter. For regular AC connector, we measure a maximum diameter of 11 millimeters. Bare ferrule cable assembly for comparison. We make measurements on digital word vernier caliper. And we see now. The measurement sim appears to be 6 millimeters approximately. Here we find a clear saving of 5 millimeters. I am now holding a cable that is coming from a distribution box, and it will be taken to the inlet of the conduit pipe for insertion. Before we start, we need to insertion a hookup cable from one end to the another end, just for pulling the cable. I tie up the bare ferrule cable end of the cable assembly with the hookup wire. Then I go to the other end for pulling the cable assembly. We are now ready for the installation. You see now it is being pulled slowly. We have now successfully pulled out the cable assembly. I am putting on holder on bare ferrule and then socket of the connector. That gets fully connected, then called as a plug. We are ready to connect the ONU, optical network unit, called as plug, and insert the plug into the receptacle of the ONU. I remove the dust cap. Here is ONU. And I am going to insert the connector plug into receptacle of optical network unit. I fit it. Now the installation is full and final.